Let's make Korean wings. These are finger-licking good. It's sweet, it's savory, and it has a little kick. You guys, listen to this juiciness. Wow, look at that. Let's dive into the recipe. First, in a mixing bowl, add in your chicken wings, followed by adding some minced or grated ginger and garlic. Next, add a dash of black pepper and salt. Mix and marinate well, refrigerate for 1 or 2 hours. Next, evenly coat your wings with cornstarch or potato starch. Next, fry your wings. Using a bamboo skewer, if the oil bubbles around the bamboo, then the oil is ready. Or you can fry the wings at 355 to 360 for 6 to 8 minutes. Cooking time varies depending on how big your wings are. Once complete, remove and let it rest on a cooling rack. We will double fry this later to get it extra crispy. Next, in a mixing bowl, let's make our sauce. First, add in your soy sauce, followed by brown sugar or sugar, some honey, hot mustard, Korean pepper flakes Gochugaru, Korean red chili paste Gochujang, some grated ginger, grated garlic, and lastly some rice vinegar. Give this a mix and combine well. Next, in a small pot or pan, heat up the sauce until you get the sauce consistency that you want. And optional, you can even add in some sesame oil. This will thicken as the sauce reduces. Next, bring up the oil to 375 to 380. We're gonna double fry this for 2 to 3 minutes to get this extra crispy. Once complete, let this rest on a cooling rack. Next, add in your wings into a mixing bowl, pour in your sauce, give it a toss, coat well and evenly. Lastly, garnish with some chopped scallions and some sesame seeds. And just like that, another easy recipe, guys. If you guys are new to my channel and you want to support me, hit that subscribe button. I also do food blogging in SoCal. Let me know what you guys want me to make next. Follow for more.